everyone stand up for our opening prayer. Emily, please lead the prayer.
Amen.
Good morning, grade 3 and grade 4.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're doing good, teacher.
Oh, that's good to hear. Okay, class, you will now sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, before we will proceed to our discussion for today, I want you all to first read our classroom rules. Okay, everyone, please read.
Sit properly. Raise your hand when you want to speak. Listen attentively when someone is speaking. Follow the direction.
Okay, that's the rules that you should follow for us to have a peaceful discussion. Understand, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Who of you here still remember what is our last discussion? I want to call it from the grade 3.
Teacher, our lesson yesterday is all about the body part.
Yes, our lesson yesterday is all about the body parts. Who can give me an example of body parts? I want to call it from the grade 4.
Teacher, the part of the example of the body part is hand and feet, teacher.
Yes, very good. The example of the body part, which is the hand and feet. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, grade 3. What is the body part we use to walk?
Feet, teacher.
Okay, the body part we use to walk is our feet. Very good. And now, what body parts do we use to hold a thing? Okay, grade 4.
Hand, teacher.
Yes, the body part we use to hold a thing is our hand. Very good. And now, let's have an activity. Okay, I will call it from the grade 3. Okay, Emily, please stand up. Okay, also from the grade 4, Jean, stand up. Okay, Emily, I want you to sing a song. And Jean, I want you to listen Emily. So Emily, you may now start.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, very good, Emily. Emily has a great voice. Okay, now Jean, what is Emily doing?
Singing, teacher.
Okay, Emily is singing. How did you know that Emily is singing? By using your...
Ears, teacher.
Very good. By using your
Ears.
Okay, grade 3 and grade 4. Teacher have here a perfume. I want you all to smell it. What is the smell of the perfume?
Smell good, teacher.
How did you know that the perfume smells good?
Because it's so humo, teacher.
Yes, because it smells good. What senses did you use?
Nose, teacher.
Nose. You use your nose. Okay, children. Where is our TV?
At your back, teacher.
How did you know that our TV is right behind my back?
By using my eyes, teacher.
Yes, you see the TV by using your eyes. So I guess you already know what is our discussion for today. Okay, grade 3 and grade 4. What do you think our discussion for today? Okay, Hannah.
About our discussion for today, teacher, I think it's about 5 senses.
Yes, very good. Our discussion for today is all about the 5 senses. Before we will proceed to our discussion, let's have first read our learning objectives. So at the end of the 40-minute lesson, is identify the five senses. The second is name the body part used for each sense. And the third is match objects with the sense used. So now, here are the five senses. The first senses is the eyes. We use our eyes to sight. Okay, grade 3 and grade 4. I want you to make a sentence using the first sense, which is the eyes. I want to call it from the grade 3. Okay, stand up.
I look the blackboard teacher.
Okay, she said she looked the blackboard. What sentence did you use?
Eyes teacher.
Okay, very good. She used the first sentence, which is the eyes. And the second sentence is the ears. We use our ears for hearing. Okay, from the grade 4, I want you to make a sentence using the second sentence, which is the ears. Okay, grade 4. Okay, Hannah, please stand up.
I hear the loud scream teacher.
Okay, she said she heard the loud scream. What sentence did you use?
Ears teacher.
Okay, very good. She used the second sentence, which is the ears. And the third sentence is the nose. We use our nose for smelling. Okay, I want to call it from the grade 3. Use the third sentence in a sentence.
Teacher, I smell food teacher.
Okay, she said she smelled food. Okay, what sentences did you use?
Nose teacher.
Okay, she used the third sentence, which is the nose. And how about the fourth sentence, which is the tongue? We use our tongue to taste food. Okay, I want to call it from the grade 4. Who can give me a sentence using the fourth sentence, which is the tongue? Okay, Jean.
I taste the sugar sweet teacher.
Okay, she said she tastes the sugar and it's so sweet. What sentence did you use?
Tongue teacher.
Okay, very good. She used the fourth sentence, which is the tongue. And the last sentence, which is the skin. Okay, I want you all to touch your head.
Teacher.
What did you feel?
I feel smooth my hair teacher.
By using the what sense? What sense did you use?
Skin teacher.
Okay, by using the
skin.
okay, very good. So I guess you already understand what are the five senses. So now I want to group you into two groups. This would be the group 1, this would be the group 2. And for the group 1, which is the graded pupils, I want you to name the senses and draw one object for the senses. And for the group 2, which is the grade 4, I want you to tell what the senses used from the group 1 and give one examples.
Done, teacher.
Okay, now teacher has here a question. I want you all to answer it. Okay, the first question is what are the five senses? I want to ask it from the grade 3. Okay, grade 3. What are the five senses?
The five senses teacher is eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin teacher.
Okay, very good. Our five senses is the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin. Give yourself a round of applause. Grade 3. Okay, now this question is for the grade 4. Why do you think that the five senses is important?
It's important to see teacher so we can see, we can smell, we can hear, we can taste, and we can feel teacher. And also it's important teacher because it's used for everyday life teacher.
Okay, very good. The five senses is very important because we use it in in our everyday life. So I guess you already understand what is our discussion for today. So now I want you all to get a one sheet of paper for the grade 3, answer the following, and for the grade 4, answer these questions.
Done, teacher.
Okay, please pass your paper in front.
Done, teacher.
Okay. So now I want you to get your notebook and copy your assignment.
Done, teacher.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher. Sige na, sige.
Hindi mo naman pinost eh.